didn't see you there. I was too busy admiring all the awesome Gunpla in for 2023 at Metro Hobbies. Hey guys, Adam from Metro Hobbies, and I want to give you guys a quick, brief rundown of 3 awesome kits that have just come in for 2023. Let's check them out. So, we'll start off with the basic grade, high grade, the new Choo Choo's Demi Trainer. This is an alternative to the basic Demi Trainer. This is Choo Choo's version everyone loves. As you can see there, Choo Choo, everyone loves her with the pom-pom style hair. This comes with a big rifle. Everyone who is a Gunpla fan knows bigger is always better when it comes to weapons, and this is no exception. This kit uses a lot of parts from 30-minute missions. Really awesome kit. I love it. I've already built mine. I'll have to get that on display at the store. Really awesome in high grade. Next up, we will go into Master Grade. Big Boy Zeong, Battle of Baoku. This kit is old, but it does not show its age at all. It is a gargantuan kit in Master Grade, 1/100 scale. Head separates, as you can see. Hands separate. Get your little Shah figure there. Perfect for that last shooting battle style action. Really cool. And the one I'm most excited about, Burning Finger God Gundam RG. This kit is one of my favorite RGs. I know I say that every time an RG comes out, but this thing can do a handstand. It can do pretty much any sort of pose you want it can do. It can do posing better than most human beings. It is a fantastic kit. I highly suggest you grab this one. They're flying off the shelf. Check it out. Thanks a lot, guys.